Oh. Oh.
Magnanakaw! Hi everybody, this is Dr. Iggy Pantanco of Did Neuro. Did Neuro about head trauma or traumatic brain injury or TBI. TBI happens when a sudden blow to the head affects normal brain function. It can range from mild concussion to severe brain damage. Anong mga symptoms ng TBI? Symptoms ng TBI can include headache, dizziness, memory problems, mood changes, or even loss of consciousness or pagkakawala ng malay. What can you do to prevent head trauma? Huwag maging tigas ulo. Wear a helmet when you bike or motor. Always use seatbelts. If elderly po ang mga kasama nyo, always be mindful of them to prevent falls. When do you need to see a doctor or neuro? Pag head trauma ay recent, if you have persistent headache, dizziness, vomitings, or memory problems, if you lost consciousness when you hit your head, then maybe it's time to seek a neuro. If you or someone you know has experienced head trauma and di kayo sure kung mild, moderate, or severe, don't wait. Seek medical help right away. For more neuro and neuro-related info, kindly like and follow.